हाँ जी, ये फिल्म अडेप्टेशन है, 36 बार अडेप्ट हुई है, तो इसको ओरिजिनल होने का क्रेडिट नहीं दिया जा सकता पूरी तरीके से. बट द फैक्ट रिमेन्स दैट इट्स बीन अ व्हाइल आई हैड दिस मच फन वॉचिंग अ हिंदी फिल्म. बताती हूँ, आओ सुनो. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel, जहाँ रिव्यूज हैं, इंटरव्यूज हैं, फिल्म फेस्टिवल, सब कुछ है. सब्सक्राइब का बटन एकदम इस वीडियो के नीचे है. अगर आप उसको क्लिक कर देंगे तो आपको रेगुलर अपडेट्स आती रहेंगी. आज कम लेट्स टॉक अबाउट मुदस्सिर अजीज़ खेल खेल में, स्टारिंग एमी वर्क, तापसी पन्नू, आदित्य सील, अक्षय कुमार, प्रज्ञा जायसवाल, वानी कपूर एंड फरदीन खान इन द लीड रोल्स.
धूम से जिंदगी गुजार रहा है. क्या है ये गुलामी?
बेबी व्हाट्स गुलामी?
स्लेवरी.
Akshay Kumar is Rishabh, a plastic surgeon married to Vani Kapoor's Vartika, an author. At Vartika's sister's wedding, Rishabh's friends have arrived with their wives. बॉलीवुड कोडेड संगीत फंक्शन के गाने के बाद सब एक साथ इकट्ठे होकर they're playing a game जिसमें एक दूसरे के फोन के messages and calls they're all read out loud to prove that none of them have secrets from their spouses. Foolhardy? Yes. Mad fun to be the voyeur watching? Also yes. Most of the proceedings then play out in one night right before the wedding. मुदस्सिर अजीज निकले हैं ओल्ड स्कूल बॉलीवुड स्लैपस्टिक कॉमेडी बनाने जिसमें थैंकफुली द बट ऑफ द जोक इज नॉट women and how stupid they are and how men have had to struggle since the beginning of time to make our lives better. There are hints of traditional and antiquated gender power dynamics, yes. How easy it is for Rishabh to flirt with another woman in the film, nudging the audience to approve of it. But for the most part, this remake of the Italian movie Perfect Strangers manages to deal with the sermonizing and silliness with a surprisingly light touch. It's almost as if each scene is teasingly inviting you to question its logic, and then just as you begin to roll your eyes, a perfectly timed hilarious one-liner disarms you. And to be honest, Khel Khel Mein is consistently funny thanks to Mudassir Aziz's dialogue. Taapsee Pannu and the actor who plays her husband Ami Virk are both named Harpreet, saved as Harpreet male and female in each other's phones. It's instantly a joke and also a sad commentary on the boundaries within their husband-wife relationship. It's both funny and oddly touching. An overplayed out gag about a woman making TikTok videos is followed by her mother-in-law cursing under her breath, calling her female Gurdas Man, which is just, it's really funny, you have to be there. Rishabh jumps the queue, enters an airport by simply waving his British passport around, British citizen, and immediately Indians around him make way for him. It's a genius little throwaway joke, but also it paints the picture of a man who has no compunctions putting his morals aside and exploiting gullible people to get his way in the world. It is also a symbol of this man's duality. He is two things at once. He's both legit in both the ways. It's a wild day when one finds clever subtext and subversive humor in an Akshay Kumar starrer. But Khel Khel Mein is that film. Quick gags with layers and depth aren't just for show, they're woven into the fabric of this movie. Taapsee Pannu's bouncy Punjabi, Fardeen's stunning leather jacket, Vaani Kapoor's gorgeous bodycon dresses, and Pragya Jaiswal's oh so obvious and dramatic antidepressant pills are par for the course for an ensemble cast where everybody must be a type. To counter the expected, though, Aziz's rapidly and steadily moving screenplay is a reminder of how Bollywood can sometimes tackle heavy topics with, like I said, a light touch. A tightrope walk not all filmmakers manage successfully. There is a self-aware streak running through this film, most evident in how it handles its leading ladies and how rich people can be blissfully out of touch with reality. If you've been yearning for the slapstick comedy of old Bollywood, Khel Khel Mein delivers in spades. Like Aditya Seal's mullet, it is a glorious throwback to an era that most of us would rather forget, yet here it is, front and center and surprisingly fitting. The sound effects are heavy, the background music is loud, but the one-liners are just as sharp. Now, the movie isn't without its flaws. There are moments where it teeters on the edge of becoming very preachy and visibly struggles to step away from tired gender stereotypes for its humor. Despite its occasional missteps, though, Mudassir Aziz keeps bringing it back home, satisfying if a bit predictable. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Khel Khel Mein is दूसरी installment in this 3 franchise is also releasing today. उसका review is also coming. All I ask is कि आप subscribe कर ले चैनल को माय बाप. बड़ी मेहरबानी है. वीडियो के नीचे ही बटन है right under this. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.